got questions about what goes on inside your head. What's your list of demands? Will I make you mad if I don't make the bed? And should I still call you? Oh, even when you say you're good. Oh, reading your mind's gonna take time. We've got nothing to lose. How do I love you like I'm supposed to? You're it for me, gotta get it right. Give me some lessons, I wanna ace them every time. Tell me, how should I hold you? Know what you've been through. You never have to question why. I wanna love you like I'm supposed to. You're it for me, wanna get it